Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own impressive, draggable, and zoomable map right inside Figma. Whether you're designing a location feature for an app or just want to wow your team with an interactive prototype, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn a static map image into something your users can pan around and even zoom in or out, all within Figma, no extra plugins needed. Let's get started. So here's how I like to kick things off. First up, you'll want to have your map ready. For this demo, I just headed to Google Maps, took a screenshot of the area I wanted to show, and dropped it right into a Figma frame. You can do the same, just make sure your screenshot is clear and covers enough area so it looks good when people zoom in. To get your image set up, just drag your screenshot into your Figma project and place it inside a frame. This is important because frames let you define the area people can interact with. Once you've got that map image in place, you'll want to make it a little bigger than your frame. Why? Well, imagine showing someone a map through a small window. If the map and the window are the same size, you can't really move it around. By making the map larger than the frame, you're giving users room to drag the map side to side or up and down, just like panning a real map. So select your image, grab the corner handles, and scale it up so it sticks out beyond the edges of your frame all the way around. Don't worry if the image looks too big for now, that's the idea. After that, let's give your viewers that drag-to-pan experience. Click your frame, head over to the Prototype tab in the right menu and look for Scroll Behavior. Set it to both directions. This little setting basically tells Figma, let users move this content horizontally and vertically inside the frame. With both directions enabled, you've just created a map that can be dragged anywhere inside that window. Try clicking Present or Preview and drag around. You'll see your map moves around naturally, just like in most real applications. But wait, what's a map if you can't zoom in for a closer look? Let's add some snappy interactivity so your user can zoom in or out. To keep it simple, we'll set up a click-to-zoom prototype. Here's how. First, make a duplicate of your original frame. This is super easy. Just select the frame, hit Command or Control+D, and now you have two identical frames stacked on top of each other. In your second frame, click your map image and scale it up even more. This will be your zoomed-in version, maybe double the size so you can really see the detail. This gives you two versions of your map, the regular view and a zoomed-in view. Next, let's connect them with some prototyping magic. In prototype mode, select your first frame and add an interaction. Set the trigger to on tap or click if you're using a desktop, then choose Navigate to and pick that second zoomed-in frame. For easing, go with Smart Animate and ease out at 300 ms. That just means the zoom action will feel smooth and natural, just like on your phone. Now, let's make sure users can also zoom back out. On your second zoomed-in frame, set up the same kind of on-tap interaction. This time, navigate back to the original frame with the same Smart Animate settings. This way, every time you tap, you can go in and out and it feels fluid. Okay, we're ready for the big moment. Click Preview at the top right and test it out. Try dragging your map around to explore and then tap to zoom in. Tap again to zoom back out. How cool is that? In just a few minutes, you've taken a flat screenshot and turned it into an interactive, draggable, and zoomable map right inside Figma. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want more tips on Figma prototyping. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.